Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about the most popular and gorgeous, beautiful Bhojpuri actress Rani Chatterjee. So today I did her song and the song name is Dodi Mudle Rahi, and I did this video with 4K 60 FPS in vertical frame, and I covering all the angle of Rani Chatterjee in this video. So, Dhodi Mulade Rahi is one of the most popular Bhojpuri song, and this song has always been known for its fearless storytelling, raw emotion, and song that directly connect with the masses. Among such songs, Dhodi Mulade Rahi hold a very special place. This is not just a song, it is a culture statement that reflects the heart of Bhojpuri folk tradition. Featuring Rani Chatterjee, one of the strongest female superstars of Bhojpuri cinema, this song became an instant hit and continued to remain popular even year after it released. Today, in this detailed review, we will analyze the song, music, lyrics, visual performance, cultural impact, controversy, popularity, and long term legacy. To understand Dodi Mulade Rahi, we just first understand the era in which it was released. Bhojpuri cinema at that time was heavily focused on folk-based music, rural stories, and audience-driven entertainment. Songs were designed to be loud, catchy, and emotional expression. Rani Chatterjee was already an established star known for her bold screen presence and powerful dance performance. In this song, further strengthened her image as a performer who could carry an entire song on her shoulder. The music of Dhodi Mulere Rahi is rooted deeply in traditional Bhojpuri folk rhymes. The use of dholak, nagada, and local percussions instruments create an earthy sound that immediately connects with rural listeners. The temperature is fast, energetic, and repetitive intentionally. So this repetitions is not a weakness but a strength. It makes the song easy, remember dance and enjoy in group setting like wedding and festival. Unlike modern electronic heavy track that is the song keeps the instrumentations simple, allowing the rhymes to dominate. This simplicity ensures longevity, which is why the song still feels relevant today. Lyrically, Dhodi Mudde Rahi follows the traditional Bhojpuri pattern of bold, metaphorical storytelling. The lyrics use rural language, double meaning, and playful teasing to create excitement and curiosity. For some audience, the lyrics may appear controversial or overly bold. However, within the context of Bhojpuri folk culture, such expressions have excited for decades. These lyrics are not meant to offend but to entertain and provoke laughter and excitement. The song does not aim to deliver a moral message, instead, it celebrates freedom of expression, local dialect, and cultural honesty. This rawness is what separates Bhojpuri music from overly polished mainstream songs. The singer delivers the song with high enthusiasm and confidence. The vocals are strong, loud, and perfectly aligned. with the song's ruler vibe. There is no unnecessary vocal complexity. Instead, the focus on is rhyme and expression. The pronunciations of Bhojpuri word is clear, the powerful, which helps the song connect deeply with its core audience. The singer maintains consistent energy throughout, ensuring the song never feels dull or slow. Rani Chatterjee is the soul of the song. Her screen presence is commanding, fearless, and confident. She does not shy away from bold expression or energetic dance moves, which is exactly what the song demands. Her facial expressions play a crucial role. Every smile, glance, and movement add layer to the song's storytelling. She's transformed the lyrics into a visual experience, making the song memorable even without sound. Rani performance proves why she is considered one of the most influential actresses in Bhojpuri cinema. She carries the song entirely on her performance, turning into a visual festival. The choreography is intentionally simple but impactful. The dance steps are designed for mass appeal, making them easy to copy in stage show and local event. The costumes are colorful and traditional, enhancing the folk atmosphere. The setting reflects a celebratory environment, aligning perfectly with the song's energetic tone. Camera angle focus heavily on expressions and movement, which keeps the audience engaged throughout the song. Jodi Mudle Rahi gained massive popularity on YouTube and social media platform. The song continues to receive millions of views, proving its timeless appeal. It is frequently played at wedding, village fair, DJ nights, and cultural programs. The song's dance-friendly nature makes it a favorite for live performances. Like many Bhojpuri item songs, Jodi Mudhe Rahi also faced criticism for its bold lyrics. Critics argue that such songs promote vulgarity. However, supporters believe that the song represents cultural freedom and folk traditions. The debate highlights the difference between urban and rural perspective on entertainment. The song has become a cultural symbol of Bhojpuri mass entertainment. It represents a genre that prioritizes audience connection over critical approval. Even today, new Bhojpuri songs borrow elements from Jodi Mudal Rahi, proving its influence on the industry. Jodi Mudal Rahi is than just a song; it is a celebration of Bhojpuri culture, energy, and expression with powerful music, bold lyrics, and Rani Chatterjee's unforgettable performance. The song has secured its place in Bhojpuri cinema and Bhojpuri music history. The song does not aim to deliver a moral message, instead, it celebrates freedom of expression, local dialect, and cultural honesty. This rawness is what separates Bhojpuri music from overly polished mainstream songs. The singer delivers the song with high enthusiasm and confidence. The vocals are strong, loud, and perfectly aligned with the song's ruler vibe. There is no unnecessary vocal complexity. Instead, the focus on is rhyme and expression. The pronunciations of Bhojpuri word is clear, the powerful, which helps the song connect deeply with its core audience. The singer maintain consistent energy throughout, ensuring the song never feel dull or slow. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel.